Good day guys, if you want to turn your voice into MIDI notes inside FL Studio using Dubler 2 from Vocally, this setup guide will get it working correctly. So you firstly need to download and install. In this page you can do this, so you just buy it right for 99, or you can buy a kit or any other additions, and then of course you can install it and launch it. And then, of course, don't forget to complete the microphone calibration. And then make sure that your microphone is selected in the Dubler's audio settings. So as you can see, you need to enable the MIDI control, and then you just enable the virtual MIDI output port. This lets Dubler send MIDI notes to other programs. Alright, and after that, you need to open FL Studio by image line. Go to Options, then MIDI Settings, and in the Input section, you just find Dubler, MIDI device, and enable it. So as you can see, you need to have it enabled with this green light, and also set it as a controller input. After that, you need to add a virtual instrument to FL Studio, like a piano or a synth. Select the instrument channel, and then now when you sing or hum into Dubler, it sends MIDI notes directly to that instrument. Then you can sing different pitches, and watch the MIDI notes trigger. If tracking isn't accurate, you can adjust pitch sensitivity and calibration inside Dubler. So this is how you set up Dubler inside the FL Studio, so you can control instruments using your voice in real time. That's it for this one. Enjoy guys, and see you in the next video.